What's good, guys? Today we're looking at 5 more outfits that I've worn this month. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me your detailed feedback, comments, all that stuff on what you want to see. If you have any questions, if you want me to switch something up, I'm always here and open to any type of feedback that you all have. So let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so starting out, we're going to be showing the outfit that I rock with these Air Jordan 16s in the OG colorway. First off, we have on our head the basic black Amazon beanie. We paired that with the Arizona Coyotes hockey jersey. And to finish it off, we just have these basic H&M skinny black denim jeans. Next up, we're looking at the Yeezy 700 Cozy Nights. On my head, I have the Suns snapback. I have the Culture Kings Scooby-Doo shirt, definitely amazing quality. And then again, we have my favorite pair of cargos, these olive green good threads Amazon cargos. Alright, another custom pair. We're putting an outfit with the Air Jordan 11 Frostbites that I recently made. On my head, I have the Coney Island Picnic snapback. And then for my hoodie and pants, I got both of those from fashionnova. Oh yeah, and we can't forget the vest that we have here from pacsun. Next up, we have a classic pair of Converse Chuck Taylors. We're rocking the Zara bomber jacket with a Hanes beefy tee. And then on my pants, we have another pair of Aeropostale jeans. Lastly, we have another chill pair, which is the Adidas Samba with the pacsun jacket, kind of like the Aztec theme. We have another basic white tee, and then on the pants we have these beautiful skinny fitting Cheetos from Gap. Thank you guys for sticking through this video. Now I'm gonna give you the motivational quote. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.